तो ये वाला बेसिकली कह रहा है कि लंच बॉक्स इज डन विद प्लेइंग चेस, ठीक है। लंच बॉक्स is done with playing chess. His queen and king just got forked again. In chess, a fork is when a knight attacks two pieces of higher value. Commonly, the king and queen, मतलब like let's suppose the knight is horse, so the horse is, if you compare, is king and queen. So fork means when a knight attacks, like horse attack king and queen, then we call it fork. Lunchbox knows that knight. The name given is lunchbox. That's disgusting. Knows that knights can be tricky, and in the version of chess that he is playing, knight are even trickier. Instead of moving one tile in one direction and two tile in other, knight in Lunchbox modified game moved A tile in one direction and B tile in another direction. Yeah, like we change the movements of our horse. The horse can go according to our input, which is given A tile in A direction, X direction, and B tile in Y direction. But in reality, it moves two tile in X direction or Y direction and one tile in X or Y direction, respectively. So Lunchbox is playing chess on a infinite chessboard which contain all cell xy where x and y is possibly negative. हाँ negative हो सकते हैं, that's not a problem. Possibly negative integer. Lunchbox king and queen are placed on cell xy and ky. These are the index of its king and queens respectively. Find the number of positions such that knight was placed on that cell. Find the was placed on that cell, it would attack both the king and queen. Is where we can place our knight so that it can. Okay, uh, it would both queen in one move or multiple moves. Like we move our knight for one move or multiple moves, we will check with put. Each test contain multiple test cases. The first line contain integer t, uh, number of test cases. The description test case is as follows. The first line of each test contain two integer a and b describing the possible move of the knight. ठीक है, that a tile in x and b tile in. That's not for x and y, that it can move a in x and y both, b in x and y both. But if there is x in a, then y in b. If there is x in a, if there is x in b, then there is y in a. The second line of each test contain. We have given the coordinate of our king, and we have given the coordinate of our queen. It is guaranteed that lunchbox, queen, and king will occupy different cells. Okay, there is no chance that king and queen are in same box. Okay, so we have given a and b like this, 2 and 1. So let's suppose I drawn this matrix and we have king. The first one is king, right? Um, yeah. So the king is at 0, 0, and queen is at 3, 3, and the possible movement for our knight is a comma b, describing the possible move of knight. The first and the test. The thing we have to confirm is that a is in x direction and b is in y direction, or it can be anything. Knight in Lunchbox modified game move a tile in one direction. Okay, okay, it given yani कि any direction it can choose. So if we place our knight here, will it kill them? Like it goes two step here and one step here, two step here and one step here. No, it can't. In one move, knight where find the number of position knight was placed on the cell. It would attack on. Okay, it would attack in उसकी खुद की जगह से वो अटैक कर पाए दोनों को. ठीक है. So we will go one step up, like we were here. So if we go like one step here and two step here, or one, so this is also not possible. This is also not possible. If we check this, this is also not possible. If we check this, this is also not possible for killing king. This is also not possible for killing any of. Yeah, this is possible. We can go one move up, one move here, one move here. It is, he killed the king, and if we go one move here, one move here, and here, we will kill the queen. So this is our one, and here we can't kill anyone, not even king and not even king. Queen. If we are here, we can go up and up. No, not possible. From here we can go up and up, and one step here. Yeah, it's possible. So it is two, and we can go there, there, there. So it's possible. It's also not possible. Um, not possible, not possible, and not possible, not possible. So we got the answer is two, and our answer is also two. Let's try other example. So let's test this one. Sorry. So 1, 4. Here is our king. 3, 4. Here is our queen. Okay, let's check this. 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So not possible. Not possible. 1, 1. If you start from there, not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Okay, okay. So we don't have to do anything. We just have to traverse for loop of 2D. But our this is 10 to the power, and we have infinite. So we have to find something that will uh, find it, because we have negative index also and it is infinite matrix. So we don't have any starting point. So we can't start from zero or any position. We have to just start from 4 step back from K, 4 or A, maximum of A and B step back from K in all four directions, and also from in these all four directions. I will come after drinking some water. Oh, oh,
चलो कब चलते हैं पागल है क्या यार पैसे से नहीं ना झूठ बोलता है पैसे तेरे पास नहीं है ला बोले थे इसके पास तो सच में पैसे नहीं है एक काम करती हूँ अपने से 1000 रुपए डाल देती हूँ फिर इसका सरप्राइज रिएक्शन देखती हूँ हाँ यही करती हूँ एक मिनट पैसे पड़े हुए हैं इसमें चल गाड़ी करने चलते हैं पागल है क्या यार मम्मी ने केस करना है क्या कैसे लग रही हो चलो कब चलते हैं पागल है क्या यार पैसे से नहीं देखिए, जी, तो आप मेरे लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? जानते तो है नहीं, आप जानते सर का नहीं, नहीं, देखिए, मैंने आपकी मदद की है ना? तेरा कोई मुकाबला नहीं, हाय, मुझसे तेरा कोई मुकाबला नहीं।
So let's see what am I trying to do in my code is let's form a matrix. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's pick this case and our king is at 3 comma 1. So here is our king and our queen is at 1 comma 3. Here is our queen. And what we did is we basically take our I starting from x minus a comma x minus q. So x of king minus a यानी कि from here right. So our index will be minimum of them minus 1 and x here x is 3 and here x is 1. So the minimum is 1 minus 1 0 and 1 minus 3. So from where we can here we can start with I is 0 and j is similarly from here k minus 1 and here the minimum is this which is 0. So from here our course starts. Uh, what we did next? What's our maximum is xk plus a and yk. So I maximum like x maximum is this and y maximum is this. So this is our maximum. We did work plus one also minus one also. So I don't think we need this plus one and minus one things. We just started from that index. So here are we ending. So we can use this delete fifth row and fifth column. Okay. So if we start from here, what we did in our code is we will start from x and iy and xj. In this, we can go x plus a, y plus b, yeah, for x plus b, and if any of these matches with x and k. If we even started from here, we still not reach. From here, there are no possibilities. If we from here, there are still no possibilities. From here, we can go there, and this. From here, we can go here. Okay, we find two, but we are not. We can find Q. We will find the king first also, right? But I said here is firstly if I find the king, then I will find queen. That's not right. I can find the queen first also. So for that, what I have to do is if I add this up, um, let's pick this paste here. Ah, where are we getting stuck, right? We have to find one. Find. I'm finding the king first, then I'm also trying to find the queen from the same position. So zero for last is okay. I can understand that. From position. So I don't know where are we getting stuck. code was not shared. So we did that, but we are getting output all zero. I don't know why. So the logic I am using is basically I'm picking my king and going its picking my king and queen both and going the minimum in x before the king and queen and going the maximum in king and queen the right side and similarly from top and similarly from bottom. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Max, max. Okay, still the output is wrong. We have to take the help of GPT now. We don't have any choice. We tried our best. Dry run. Like we find the minimum and maximum we are traversing. We find the x and y. If they match. We go for the king and queen both match together. The only thing we left is checking why my code is not running because I did all my. Okay, view retrieve first. There. Uh, uh, okay. That mistake. I'm from two. No. Me espresso. Okay. Okay. If I did this, I checked the minimum of human beings from the maximum. So get count zero. Going to this. I'm using it to sound. I'm starting from my case. Let's proceed the best one. This is this. I don't know why is it not working. What changes it does GPT make to make my code run? Nothing. Change set. It made a set. King move and queen move. But the king and queen is not moving. It's just checking it why. These bounds miss some possible knight position before we are using plus minus a plus minus b in condition not all eight offsets. I'm not using all eight offsets, but how? So here I'm generating all eight offsets. X comma k okay. The minimum of x is xk plus di. But but that's not just like it's the same. Uh, so the thing used here is same like my x plus a x plus b equal to x and so x plus a x minus a x plus b x minus b y plus b y minus b y plus a y minus. So y minus a comes with both uh, y plus b and y minus a. So y minus b comes with all. There are many more conditions. Yeah, yeah. Gypt is right. Gypt is right. There are many more conditions. Xk minus a and xk minus b, and where is xk plus b is here. Plus a and xk plus b with xk minus a also. Yeah. If it will be negative, then we can go up down accordingly. So we have to do that. So what is it doing is it's just making and checking all possible things, and similarly a b and a with minus b. Mhm. So our logic is right, but we are building our coordinates wrong because we are not using all eight coordinate methods. We have to just choose the a and b, and with a and minus b, we have to choose the coordinates also. So here we use matrices, right? So here we use all x plus a with x plus a used with x y minus b, and x plus a used with y plus a, and x plus a is also used with y plus b, right? X plus a is used with y plus b. So the method is right, but we didn't choose our own coordinates. It's past. Done. Let's try this one called forces. We took help. We used four coordinate method, but it's basically a eight coordinate method. So we did this in code. Firstly, we check all eight sides where we go the minimum, and then we check all eight sides where we go the maximum in x for king and queen. Then in y direction, here we choose xk plus dx of y. With xk, I go all a and b, up, down, right, left, and similarly with phi coordinate of king and queen. Then I started from minimum of x and minimum of y, and check all position like x plus a sub y plus b x plus a, and y minus b can be minus. It can go up, it can go side, it can go there, it can go down. So I take only those up, down, right, left. But what about the up with B and the right with B, the right with A and the left with A? So I didn't choose those cases. So by using those cases, this will be simple. So let's try to submit the submission which is from CP900. Hope, hope to see submit. DLE, hey bro, no. Can I see the test case? Okay, I will not do starting from those rectangle. I will start. I will put. I will check my king and I will check my queen and I will go right, left, up, down and over position of from king and queen and similarly from my queen. If at any point I will find the xk and yk and xq and yq like any points. I will just add the count. Yes, maybe it will work. That was not a 900 rated question. That's a fucking hard question. That's a fucking hard question. Same file. Done. The logic was from Google and CO8 positions and check it from A and B. We can find okay. So are we done here also? Let's reload. Yeah, am I done with this? 2000. Oh, that's not fork. That's fucked. Fuck up. Let's see the